So this video is about outdoor music, and you might be camping somewhere and it's in the middle of nowhere, so you come to this radio and you turn on the music, but you're getting no music because there's no reception. So that happened to us, and I contacted our IT department. I said, IT department, help me, I need music. So cue IT department.
You see that coming? So super simple, you've probably done this before. We need to make sure that this is set to auxiliary, and then we actually bought an auxiliary adapter cord. One for an iPhone and also one for an Android. So make sure that they're plugged into here, and then have the station set to auxiliary, and then you can play music. Oh wait, I need a phone. Oh, look at that.
Cue phone.
Cue phone. All right, play music.